Hi everyone, I'm super excited to bring you this video. After a ton of internet searching, I'm thinking like a month's worth of internet searching, I finally found the sweet part of the Sinful Colors Sweet and Salty collection. Actually, I found the whole collection, but I was only interested in these three polishes, so that's what I have right now. I was lucky enough to, actually, I've never found them in Wisconsin, where I live. None of the stores that usually carry the special Sinful Colors polishes ever got them that I'm aware of. And then when I was in Illinois, I noticed a couple of Walmarts had them. I was actually taking supplies to my mom because she can't get out and do shopping and stuff. So I was actually taking supplies over to my mom. And then I noticed that two Walmarts out by her had them. So I was actually able to place an order for pickup. The one Walmart store canceled my order, but the other one didn't. So I just swung by that Walmart, picked these up, picked up a few more necessities, and now I'm showing you them. So let's get started with the swatches, and I'll tell you about them. Under all of these swatches, I will have base coat on my nails. The first one I'm going to show you is called Cookies and Cream. First, I'm going to show you the swatch sticks that I created. So this is one without top coat, and this is one with top coat. I figure if it doesn't change the look of the polish, like in this case, I would definitely go with top coating it. And the top coat does not ruin the scent at all. The scent kind of dissipates over time. I actually have had these swatch sticks done like 2 weeks ago, and they still have a faint smell of the chocolate. This is the first coat of chocolate chip, and this set does have a really nice wide flat brush, and you can smell the chocolate right away while you're applying it. It smells definitely really nice. Here is the second coat. I think it looks great in 2 coats with a nice glossy top coat, and the aroma is amazing. Makes me hungry for chocolate chip cookies. This one is called Donut Even, and it is a beautiful pink donut colored icing with awesome bar glitters that resemble sprinkles. And here they are swatched with 2 coats. This one is not top coated, and this one is top coated. They do still have a faint smell of the donut after several weeks, and I do recommend top coat just to make the polish last longer, and it really doesn't affect the look of it at all. And here is 1 coat. You do get a good amount of sprinkles out without having to do anything but shake the bottle up. So this is 1 coat. It is sheer. It is very sheer. This one has a sweet glazed donut smell. This kind of smells like glazed icing. And I think it looks pretty good in 2 coats. It's sheer. I would recommend, if you don't want it to be so sheer, just put a layer of the same color pink underneath, and then you can get away with 2 coats of this, which looks really great. This one is called Chocolate Cake. This one is a textured polish, so here you see it with no top coat. And then here is with 2 coats of top coat. I probably could have used a third to smooth it out completely. It does still, after several weeks, have a hint of chocolate smell. And it also smelled underneath the top coat as well. Here is one coat, and this totally looks like cake batter. You're actually brushing on cake batter on your finger. It is pretty much fully coverage in one coat, but to get the really good texture, you probably need 2 coats. And I'm going to add a second coat just for a little bit extra texture. Here are 2 coats, completely dry. It does have like this little sparkle in it, which is pretty cool. I'm guessing it might be something to do with the texture, and then the actual polish is a little bit shimmery in there, just a little bit sparkly looking. I like how it looks. I'm not a big texture fan, but this is really cool. And it smells incredibly good, like chocolate. So I hope you like the video. Stay tuned on my channel. I am going to do some creative nail looks with these polishes that I think you will really enjoy. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.